Hello and good evening, everyone. This is Ekta Sehgal, founder and Chief Strategy Officer, Motherhood Club. Welcome to each one of you at Motherhood Club after a long pause, break, chutti, whatever you may want to call. समर वेकेशंस खत्म हो गई हैं, बच्चे स्कूल चले गए हैं, कुछ आज कुछ कल जा रहे हैं, कुछ अगले हफ्ते जाएंगे, बट everybody is now getting back to a routine which was completely distorted. हिल गई थी हम सबकी रूटीन पेरेंट्स की, क्योंकि बच्चे घर में थे, नाश्ता जो है वो 10 बजे हो रहा है, 11 बजे हो रहा है. एंड आई एम श्योर जो इस बोट में सेल करते हैं उनको ये बदलाव बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि सारा दिन तो अब किचन आपका चल रहा है. मम्मा ये दे दो, मम्मा वो दे दो, मम्मा भूख लगी है, मम्मा मैगी खानी है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So there was no time to look at anything else for the last 5 weeks. And I'm sure, like me, a lot of you would have waited for that day when the children get back to school. Why am I talking about summer vacation and children going back to school? Because that is one change. No matter what, no matter how hard you try, this change comes every year, right? And we accept it whether with fuss or with no fuss. हमें चाहे अच्छा लगे ना लगे, हमें इस बदलाव को समझना पड़ता है और इसको झेलना भी पड़ता है, और काफी हद तक हम इसे खुशी से झेलते हैं, क्योंकि कभी-कभी हम भी इन दिनों छुट्टी ले लेते हैं. But that also brings us to a very important aspect, which is change, बदलाव. आप सबने पिछले 4-5 दिनों में कुछ वीडियोस सुने होंगे, ईला के, मोनिका के, मेरे, जहां तीनों ने बदलाव के बारे में बात किया. और मैंने ये भी कहा कि जहां बदलाव है वहां बढ़ोतरी है. Where there is change, there is growth. And wherever there is growth, there is definitely change. Change in any form. It could be the amount of business that you're doing, the number of clients you're dealing with, the number of likes you're getting on your post, and so on and so forth. So every change should be a welcoming change, because I don't think change has a adjective added to it which is positive or negative. Change is change. And I can see my other two panelists nodding their heads and agreeing with me that yes, that is a reality. मेरी लाइफ में भी बदलाव आए, ईला के भी आए, मोनिका के भी, और हम सबके आए. But what is important is that how gracefully we accept this, we internalize it, and we move ahead. So let me go straight to ask Ila that, Ila, it's been almost a year or so that we came live, we had a conversation, and your life, as I see it from the outside, from your posts, where I see so many yummy food pictures and videos, seems to be very exciting and interesting. How has the last 1 year been for you? Has it been as yummy and tasty as the pictures of the food that you've been posting? या उसमें कोई अलग तड़के भी लगे थे? क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
Thank you, Ekta. I have missed coming live with both of you together. And I have missed coming live on my own also. हाँ, बहुत खाना बनाया, बहुत खाना बन रहा है, और कई बार तड़के मजबूरी में लगे, कभी शौक से लगे. और पिछला जो 1.25 साल रहा है वो मेरे लिए पर्सनली बहुत उथल-पुथल वाला रहा. I have been through a lot. I have lost, I have gained, and somewhere down the line, I learned to balance myself. So, बहुत लोगों को पता है, कुछ को शायद नहीं पता हो कि I lost my mummy last May, in May 2025. And पता था उनको जाना है और हम प्रेयर कर रहे थे कि उनकी सफरिंग्स एंड हो। लेकिन जब वो गई तो ऐसा लगा कि दिल एकदम से खाली हो गया है, या पूरी जिंदगी खाली हो गई है, पर्पसलेस हो गई है। साइड बाय साइड पापा की चिंता थी, साइड बाय साइड जो मैंने अपना बिजनेस सेट किया नया, इलाज नेचर टोकरी का, उसमें से भी आप क्विट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि अब आप कमिटेड हैं एक रास्ते पर। बहुत सारी अनसर्टेनिटी थी लाइफ में, ऊपर से ग्रीफ था। बहुत कोशिश की कि खुद को संभालूं, किसी तरह से उस ग्रीफ से बाहर आऊं। ट्राइड इंटरनलाइजिंग माय ग्रीफ, tried to internalize and accept my emotions. There was a constant conflict of emotions. कभी लगता था हाँ हाँ सब ठीक हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, we'll get back to life, मम्मी is in a good place. कभी लगता नहीं, she shouldn't have gone. And मेरा मम्मी को लूज करना एक चीज थी, बट माई डैड लूजिंग हिज लाइफ पार्टनर at the age of 85, 86 was more painful for me, because अब मेरे पास में एक डबल चिंता उनकी भी आ गई थी. So in between making frequent trips to my hometown, trying to manage my kitchen, trying to manage myself, I was losing myself somewhere. और जो क्रिएटिविटी पोइट्री और स्टोरीज के जरिए निकलती थी वो ज्यादातर फिर मैंने अपनी कुकिंग के जरिए एग्जिबिट करनी स्टार्ट की. फिर ऐसा भी होता है कि देयर इज ऑलवेज लाइट एट द एंड ऑफ द टनल. तो 2025 एंड होते होते मैं नानी बनी. तो वहां से फिर लगा कि हाँ, अगर भगवान ने एक रिश्ता मुझसे छीना है, खैर वो रिश्ता नहीं छीना, मेरी जिंदगी का एक हिस्सा छीना, लेकिन उसी टाइम गॉड ब्लेस्ड मी with my grandson Rahi, and thought that no, everything is not lost. We have a new life which we have to celebrate. So इसी सब में मेरा 1.5-1.25 साल कहाँ निकल गया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. और अब धीरे धीरे मेरे साथ में मेरे 2 एंकर्स एम, हम टुगेदर मिला के बनाते हैं एकता, ईला, मोनिका, एम. तो जो मेरे साथ के एम के जो एकता और मोनिका हैं, इन्होंने मेरे एंकर्स, मेरे इमोशनल सपोर्ट्स बने, और आज मैं आपके सामने दोबारा आ गई हूँ. सो इन शॉर्ट मेरी स्टोरी ये रही.
So, Ila, at one end, there was grief of losing a parent, and on the other hand, the excitement to be a grandmother, to your own child, son. Very different emotions, right? And as they say that any kind of emotion always kind of disbalances you. How did manage with the two extremes of emotions at the same time you concentrated on your work? How did you deal with that?
One good thing about my personal life is that I never stopped meditating. I spend early hours of the morning in meditation and in deep conversations with myself. भगवान के साथ भी बात होती है, नेचर के साथ भी बात होती है, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि मैं रोज़ाना खुद से बात करती हूँ और खुद को सहारा देती हूँ. रोज़ाना खुद को जिसे कहते हैं, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई यूज्ड टू पैट माई सेल्फ ऑन द बैक, एंड एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द डे आई यूज्ड टू से उठ जा, काम पे लगते हैं, देयर इज लॉट्स टू डू टुडे. एंड बीइंग माई कीपिंग माई सेल्फ बिजी. कई बार लगता था नहीं करूँ कुछ भी, मेरे को नहीं उठने का मन कर रहा बेड से, उन्हें 2 ऑर्डर्स आए हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, बट क्योंकि मैंने कमिटमेंट की है, एक प्रोफेशन मैंने अपनाया है, और मुझे अगर उसमें, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स अबाउट माई happiness and my self discipline, like it's about self discipline. So I used to force myself, I used to talk to myself, I used to cheer myself. And उस दौरान मैंने एक और चीज जो नहीं छोड़ी, तकलीफ के बावजूद भी, इनिशियल शायद 1 महीना मैं बाहर थी, मैंने कल्चर कोना से अपना नाता नहीं तोड़ा. क्योंकि कल्चर को ना हमारा एक ऐसा बेबी है जिसको हर हफ्ते हमें पानी खाद देना ही देना है। सो वहाँ पे प्रॉम्प्ट्स देना, वहाँ पे रिजल्ट्स देना, इतनी सारी व्यू पॉइंट्स पढ़ना, कविताएं कहानियां पढ़ना, तो वहां से भी मुझे लाइफ का एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता था जब मैं कुछ ऐसा कुछ नया पढ़ती थी। सो इन शॉर्ट, कीपिंग माई सेल्फ बिजी, लिसनिंग टू गुड म्यूजिक, मेडिटेशन एंड बिलीविंग इन माई सेल्फ कि मैं कर लूंगी, हो जाएगा, निकाल लेंगे ये टाइम भी।
Wonderful. I think that's a good thing that you held yourself. You used meditation, music, your creativity in the form of food. Sometimes I wonder how many of us are actually able to cope up with extreme emotions in life. Uh, well, let's go to Monica and understand that how the last 1.5 years were for you, and did you experience change? If so, whether it was personal, professional, how did you deal with it? How did you not just deal with it, how did it shape you? Because I remember hearing a video of yours where you mentioned that now what everybody gets to see is Monica 2.0. So could you share a little bit about that? And then maybe we can have more conversations with both of you.
Thank you, Ekta, for sparing the conversation towards me. And in fact, before we speak further about us, I think it would be pertinent that we know about your journey as well. Because as I understand and know that all of us have undergone certain changes in our lives. So it will be good to hear you as well. Yes, I also underwent a lot of change. And as I mentioned in my video, also change is the only constant. And the best thing about time is that it keeps moving, right? And that's what helps us at times heal through, at times uh, learn, at times take decisions. So it could be anything. Okay. From my perspective, I underwent two major situations or changes in my life. One is professional. So I have been working in the corporate world since 2000. That is the year when I completed my master's and entered the corporate world. And 2025, with completion of 25 years, I uh, not really would say bid a goodbye, but yeah, I hung my corporate boots. So that was that was one huge decision that I took to hung my corporate boots. Now the immediate thing is, oh, so am I sitting home? Uh, no, definitely not. Somebody who's been working for forever, initially the school, college, and then the work, just not can't sit idle. So I started my entrepreneurship journey in 2025, and June is when I began that. So actually, if you look at it, today is 1st July, and 1st July is the day when my company, which is Namo Consulting Services, was registered. So today I've actually completed 1 year in the entrepreneurship journey legally.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, yeah, so I started my entrepreneurship journey. I have started working as an HR advisor. And so that was one big change because from a stable corporate life wherein you have a fixed routine and a standard salary coming to your bank accounts every month end, now I live in a daily fix. As they say, being an entrepreneur, you have to dig the well daily and then only you can get some water. So it's like a daily grind that now I am learning to live. And it would be I don't think it will be it can be said in as simple words. uh, Being an entrepreneur is a huge change for me, huge. You know, I have started to learn the basic things of doing by yourself. You know, as simple as making a cup of coffee for yourself, because in the last 25 years I was used to being served that cup of coffee or tea or a glass of water when you reach office. You know, as simple as taking a photocopy. You know, I for the last 14-15 years I hadn't done it. Initially I might have, but in the last 15 years I never had the reason to do it. There was somebody or else who was looking after things, so that was a huge change for me. So it was a journey. It was definitely a journey, you know, with, of course, how did you take the decision of moving ahead, how did you move ahead, and then how did you decide what to do. So these are different aspects which of course need a much larger conversation. So I'll stick to this right now. uh, the second big change that happened with me was my son. My son underwent his class 10th exams in 2026. So he's just completed his 10th and has entered 11th. So 25, second half of 25 was a lot to do with helping him or supporting him in taking a career related decision of which stream to choose in 11th. So there were tough discussions, there were shaky discussions, there were emotional discussions, right? There were practical discussions. So all kinds of discussions happened in our household. And not only in my household, uh, I looked at people who can support me in that decision making journey for him, and made him speak with a lot of people, had counseling sessions for him. Certain discussions were good, certain discussions had a lot of meltdown. So that was an emotional upheaval on in my personal life. And I
Wow,
must say that both these things taught me different aspects.
I'm
Yeah.
sure.
So yeah, I'll stop here. And I think I would want to hear a little from you, and then possibly I would, you know, we can share a little more in terms of how did we handle this.
Absolutely. I certainly will. But, just to mention that when you yourself are going through a phase of challenges,
Mm-hmm.
of uncertainty, and in front you have your own child who also reaches that point where it becomes like a make or break, because what you choose in grade 11 and onward kind of sets the base for what you
Yeah.
want to do. And of course, the way the education system is, it indeed puts a lot of pressure, that what should be done and how it should be done. And I think we've all been there many, many, many years back, but perhaps it was easy for us to take decisions because of maybe lack of information, lack of peer pressure, lack of exposure to so many things. Times are very different right now. And kudos to you to have taken that courageous decision after 25 years of working to kind of hang your boots. I've been there many years back, and indeed, that journey of decision making in itself makes you go through, the roller coaster ride multiple times in a split of a second. Sometimes you say no, sometimes you say yes. So it's indeed commendable, and I think to be able to accept that change of a routine getting disrupted, of a certain status, a certain position that you command, right? I think it's at one end you that position was taken away from you, and at the other end you were trying to help your son find that position. So again, I
Yeah.
think in a similar situation like Ila, where she had the emotion of grief and emotion of happiness with that bundle of joy coming into their life, two like wide spectrums dealing with at the same time. So I guess truly, any individual who you see smiling, doing things, doesn't mean that everything in the inside is quiet, is peaceful. At times, you need to stand up and show up to the outward world without, really showing as to what's really happening inward. That the turmoil, the what क्या कहते हैं इसको, जो एक वो जो टाइफून अपने अंदर आता है, जो एक बवाल उठता है, उसको कई बार उस बवंडर से निकल के आपको वो करना होता है जो आपको करना है, बिकॉज यू हैव कमिटेड, यू हैव
Absolutely.
सेट दैट गोल दैट कि भाई मुझे ये चीज करनी है, and that is why you're able to push yourself, and when you push yourself you achieve something, you what you have aspired. And when you're able to push and move from that inward space to the outward space, you start inspiring people. And when you do that put together, you bring about that change, that metaphor. So I think each of us in some way is a caterpillar, is a cocoon,
Absolutely.
is a butterfly, then again goes back to being a caterpillar, and so on and so forth. ऐसे ही नहीं, बायो में इनको लाइफ साइकिल्स कहते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर cycle, you go through one phase to the other to the other, and so on and so forth. Thank you both Ila and Monica for sharing this aspect or this phase of your life, which I'm sure was left behind a lot of learnings for the two of you, which we'll definitely talk in a while. But again, let me thank everyone who have joined us, who have shown that inclination to hear the story of metamorphosis of AIM, and who have joined here. A lot of comments and congratulatory messages for you, Ila, for being a grandmother, and Ila for, Monica, for taking that jump of being an entrepreneur. Well, as Monica asked me that how was it for me for the last 1.5 years, I would say that I paused. I took some steps back. I thought, and then I said, okay, now I know what is it that I need to work upon to be able to be a better version of myself. And believe you me, it takes a lot of courage to actually pause on those things that you've been working, you've been thinking about, you've been doing. Suddenly you pause. अब मुझे इसको नहीं करना है कुछ समय के लिए, to think through it. And the biggest reason to pause was that समय तो जा रहा है. The time, the clock is ticking because it has to tick. वो तो अपने हिसाब से चल रहा है. तो ज्यादातर लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, या लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए. मेरे केस में वो दोनों चीजें ही नहीं थी. I had lots to do. So there were days when I had no time, and there were days when I had so much time on hand. But somewhere I felt that, am I being a victim of the, a fictitious race that I have created for myself? Am I wanting to do more than what I can? Am I running? Am I running a race which will finish very quickly? Or am I running a marathon? And the rules of the game are very different when you run a race and when you run a marathon. मैराथन में आपको सांस भी लेनी होती है, आपको एक पेस मेंटेन करनी पड़ती है. So I decided that I will put myself in a situation which I have dreaded all my life. I will jump into something, learn something new that I detested in my growing years. मतलब जिस चीज से मुझको कोई मतलब नहीं था, कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, मैं वो चीज करूंगी टू पुश माई सेल्फ टू सी कि क्या मैं वही वही कर सकती हूँ जो मैं इतने सालों से करती आ रही हूँ। एंड अगर मैं किसी नई चीज को करती हूँ, इफ आई गेट आउट ऑफ माई कंफर्ट जोन, where will I see myself? And one of the reasons was that we as parents keep telling our children, करो कुछ तो नया करो, सीखो सीखो, आगे बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो, क्यों बोलते हो नहीं कर सकते हो? These are common conversations that happen in households with young kids. And one day I sat with myself and I said, I keep saying that ये तो मेरे से हो ही नहीं सकता, तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ. And in order to look for some kind of me time, I wanted to choose between music and art. Should I learn music? And by music, I mean not just vocal, but also instrument. Or should I learn art? Now, for me, art is paint brush लो, paint में dip करो और कुछ करो and you are done with it. So I went to an art teacher and I said, I want to make a painting. She said, okay. But I told her that, look, I am coming to de-stress myself. I don't want to draw. I just want to paint. So she said, कोई बात नहीं, आप आओ. So I started my journey to learn art last year in April. And the first time when I picked up a pencil to draw something, my mind said, you can't do it. क्योंकि तुमको तो एक सीधी लाइन भी नहीं खींचनी आती है. And from April of 2025 to now, not only can I draw a straight line, but I can draw. I have made about 5 paintings which are complete in different mediums. My 6th one is at the verge of completion, and the 7th one is also work has started upon. Now, change happens when you really want it to happen. So जब मैंने वो drawing every time I go for my art class, I look forward to it. And in my line of work, one needs to be available. One needs to spend that time. But I said that if I cannot take out 4 hours in a week for my own self to pause, to stop, to enjoy something and to learn something new, there is no way I can do that for my child. And hence I started to do that. And I'm very proud of myself. क्योंकि जिससे एक लाइन नहीं खींचती थी, today I was able to make a full painting which I gifted to my mother on her 75th birthday. And the expression that my mother had on her face was, ये सच्ची में तुमने बनाई है? She couldn't believe it. This is done by me. Of course, my art teacher really helped me, which also brings us to a very important point. And I'm going to put that question in a form of question to both of you, Ila and Monica, that during this journey of yours, the difficult phase, okay, let's not call it a difficult phase, but a phase of transition that you went through or metamorphosis that you went through, did you have someone, or did you have a group, or did you have someone to lean upon, someone who could guide you, mentor you, coach you, that you were able to navigate through this phase of yours? And every time you felt that you were hitting the bottom, there was an invisible hand, or as the prompt that Ila shared, who was that angel who supported you to be able to lift you up and say that, nahi, karna hai, move ahead. Who would like to go first?
I think I
Ila
already
first.
mentioned, yeah. So I think I already mentioned that, when my son was going through his career decision time, I definitely reached out to a lot of people. Okay, and we had conversations and everything. Now, if I have to say about me, right, because of course, even when he was going through that change, it was impacting me as well. Being a mother, I was also emotionally disturbed. Okay. And on the side, my entrepreneurship aspects were, anyways, taking shape, right? So all those things were happening simultaneously. So it was a time wherein, apart from the trust in Almighty, you definitely need people around you. You need that invisible, as you said, invisible. You need that support. You need that trust coming in from somebody that, dude, you can do it. Of course, it has to come from within as well. But at times, that voice from within needs to hear that voice from outside to come out louder. So I did have people. Of course, there were a lot of people, but uh, as we say, aim, I think, in my aspirations, in my personal aspirational journeys, uh, the inspirations came in from both of you for sure, right? And I really can't paint it in words to say that who did what and how much and in what form and all. But I think, yeah, there were, you two were there whenever I needed, in whatever way. Uh, so it helped me shape up my 2.0 in some manner. And of course, it's still a journey that I am going through. And I'm still in touch with, we are still in touch and discussing our journeys together. I remember when all of us were struggling in our personal situations in certain manners, we took out that forced time to be with each other, to be to spend time with each other, to hear each other, to listen to each other's situations, whether we could offer the solutions may or may not be the reality, but yes, we acted as anchors, we acted as sponges who could listen to each other and act as something that, okay, you've given it away, now it's there in the universe, so let it be. So
Absolutely.
yes, so that's what I can say. Ila.
Same here, as I mentioned at the beginning of the session also today, that yes, you two have always been around me. And even there were days when I used to go into long phases of silence. I didn't want to talk to anybody. I did not want to get in touch with anyone, but you two kept on knocking and hammering the sense out of me, into me, that all is not lost. We are there. So whether it was ranting, whether it was like chewing their brains sometimes, they were always there as my anchors. Then God has blessed me with another soul sister and my two beautiful kids, Pupul and her husband, Rohan. They have been the most solid support. So yes, family में मेरे बच्चे दोनों और friends में आप दोनों. Because उसके बिना ना हम बाहर नहीं आ सकते. We need anchors in our lives or we would
Absolutely.
drown.
बहुत सारे लोग जो होते हैं ना वो
So
कहते हैं कि सॉरी आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
नहीं, मैं एकता जब साइलेंट उस पे चली जाती थी ट्रिप्स पे, where she was introspecting, she had paused, पूछ रहे ठीक हो? ठीक हूँ. ठीक हो? ठीक हूँ. बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट पता था कि उसको कोई चीज परेशान करेगी तो वो हम तक आएगी, या हम उससे वो चीज निकलवा के रहेंगे कि वो परेशानी किस चीज की है. एकता, यस.
Yeah. So I think it is very important that in any situation, in any relationship, you give that space, you give that pace that it needs, and at times just give that ear to hear, and without being judgmental, just understand what the other person is trying to say. Yes, sometimes you feel कि अरे सामने वाला आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, ये नहीं कर रहा है, वो नहीं कर रहा है, बट आई थिंक असली साथी या दोस्त या कोच, अगर हम कोच भी कहें एक दूसरे को, एक दूसरे के लिए, वो वही होता है जो सामने वाले की परिस्थिति को समझ सकता है, और अगर कुछ कहीं इधर उधर खो जाता है उसको वापस पकड़ के लेके आता है. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द एम हियर डिड and brought in two aims to achieve in this 1.5 years of our life. And if I can take the liberty to speak on behalf of all three of us, as of first, the aim went out together for a 2-day trip to actually be together, as Monica said, to share, to understand what is one going through, where is it that we can be of support. Certain support is unsaid, certain support is where you say that I need that help, and it is absolutely okay. हर बार हमें ये नहीं बोलना है कि हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ. It is okay to say that no, I'm not okay. I need you to be there. I need you to talk to me. Or sometimes it could be that you just say what you want to and you tell the other person that, look, I just said what I wanted to, but I don't want you to discuss it with me. I just needed a board to kind of say it and bounce it off. So that was the first aim that aim together picked up and delivered for our own selves. And the second one is something that we'd like to show you, that the three of us very consciously made an effort out of the busy schedule, the busy emotions that were going through in our minds and heart. We decided to bring out a poetry anthology co-authored, co-edited by Ekta, Ila, and Monica. So that was our second achievement for the year of bringing AIM together. And if we can all show that, is 3 Echoes, 1 Horizon, our poetry anthology, which has 90 poems, 30 by each of us. And we were so lucky and blessed that whatever we thought for the book was actually unfolding in front of us. We kept a deadline for ourselves. We met the deadline. We thought that we would request Mr. Marva from AFT or Marva Studios to write a foreword for us. He did that. We wanted him to unveil our book for us, which he did that. And we celebrated. Yes, we did not do a very big pomp and show of a book, whatever, book launch or everything, because we wanted this to be very, very personal to us, for us to really celebrate our achievement, that this is something that we have done for ourselves. And that, I think, is commendable for the three of us. So I think three of us can really pat ourselves and say that, yes, job well done. Talking about achievement, talking about the turmoil, the changes that we've been through, very quickly, Ila and Monica, one learning that you've had, or one key change that you brought about in your life, which has helped you to kind of stir through this journey so far, and which is something that you have ingrained now, that this needs to stay with you, which would have perhaps shaken you to a certain extent, maybe because it's out of your comfort space. What is that one thing that you have now agreed upon to, deal with, work with? Ila, let's take you first.
For me, the belief in myself helped me steer my way upwards and kept me from drowning. Secondly, इस जर्नी ने मुझे ये भी दिखाया कि देयर वर फ्यू पीपल, मोस्ट पीपल वर देयर जस्ट फॉर लिप सर्विस. हाँ, हम हैं, बस कुछ चाहिए तो बताना. वो एक्चुअली मेरी मदद करने की कोशिश नहीं करते थे, वो मुझसे कुछ गॉसिप निकलवाना चाहते थे हमेशा. क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तो इस पिछले 1.5 साल में मैंने सीखा ना करना. मैंने बाउंड्रीज सेट करना सीखा कि किस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए मैं कितना दायरा देना चाहती हूँ अपना लाइफ का, क्या स्पेस देना चाहती हूँ. ये मैंने सीखा एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू लिव विद दिस फॉर एवर बिकॉज इट हैज गिवन मी इमेंस पीस. इट हैज गिवन मी पीस. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट बहुत लेट समझ आई कि हम हर एक को खुश नहीं रख सकते. तो वो बहुत ज्यादा कोशिश भी अब हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए, स्पेशली एट माई एज वेयर आई विल बी कंप्लीटिंग 60 नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो अब मुझे बड़े लेट आया लेकिन समझ आया कि इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू कीप एवरीबडी हैप्पी एंड व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट is my happiness to me besides my loved ones. This is the learning.
So set boundaries, believe in yourself, and learn to say no when it is really needed, is what Ila has learned in the last 1.5 years. And I think it would have taken a lot of courage for her to be able to acknowledge that all these things were a bit here and there, but now there is a lot of focus on that. What about you, Monica?
हम लोग ना शुरू से सुनते आए हैं और आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन स्टेटमेंट, कुर्सी को सलाम. ये अभी तक सिर्फ सुना था, but I think with the change that happened in my life professionally, I experienced it firsthand. So so-called close acquaintances, friends, I I don't see them around.
Because you no longer are the person who you were because
Absolutely
of the corporate position.
correct. So I'm no longer that head of HR of a large corporate world who can possibly give them some support or some help or some bounce to their name or whatever was in their mind. No comments on that, but yeah, so I lost out on a lot of those people. But yes, I gained support, friendships from corners that I never ever imagined. Those people, they were willing to help. They were willing to give me the guidance in terms of what can I do as an entrepreneur? How can I move through my journey? What is it that I need to do? You know, or even in
Mm.
my son's journey. So people came forward to support there. Okay, can I spend time with him? I'll be happy to address his queries and questions. you know I will help him understand what my journey has been as an engineer, as a doctor, as a lawyer, and also I found those people, and people were willing to help. But yes, so one learning is that in your journey you will come across a lot of people, but you'll have to have an eye to identify those people who are there for you in that time or with you for time.
Absolutely. I think
वर्ड्स का थोड़ा हेर फेर है, बस वही डिफरेंस है. या एकता.
so. Something similar to what perhaps Ila also experienced, that you got to know that
Yes,
who is there for keeps and who are those fair weather people. And, you know, uh, unfortunately, that's the reality of life where,
absolutely.
you know, When the going is good, everything is good. When the going gets tough, then a lot of other things also are there in front of you. For me, I think I would say something similar, but I think I kind of
Hmm.
realized that every individual has a role to play in our life.
True that.
And when their role is done, they're out of your life. And rather than
Correct.
fussing and cribbing about it, it is important to accept and internalize this. And if one is able to do so, I think it becomes a lot more easy to go through that turmoil and having experienced grief at a very young age in life. A lot of learning happened back then, and
Hmm.
obviously you're evolving over a period of time. But what I also learned or experienced is my calling,
Yeah.
right? I am still dwelling on that what my calling is. What is it that I really, really want, and what do I need to do towards it? So I think that's been
Hmm.
my um, realization, internalization, whatever, जो भी आप कह लीजिए, खुद के अंदर झांका है मैंने ये समझने के लिए कि मैं क्या चाहती हूँ, दुनिया क्या चाहती है वो एक अलग चीज है, बट व्हाट इज इट दैट आई वांट. और अब मुझे जो जो लगता है, what my heart tells me is what I do, not because I am compelled to do, but I do what my heart tells me to do. So I think a slight shift for that center point is what I see for each of us. And I think this is a journey which everybody would experience, some time or the other. And exactly something that Ela and I were discussing before we came live, that हर एक इंसान एक फेज से गुजरता है. वो कैसे उस फेस को नेविगेट करता है, उसको पकड़ता है, छोड़ता है, एक्सेप्ट करता है, वही आपकी जिंदगी का जो कहते हैं ना एक असली मतलब आपको समझ में आता है. दैट्स हाउ द ट्रांजिशन हैपेंस. एंड while talking about the three of us, there is a very important thing that binds all of us here, which is Motherhood Club. We're
Absolutely.
all we all are associated with each other, whether the three of us, the members who are watching or who would watch, which is Motherhood Club. And Motherhood Club has also been through its changes and evolution for the last 7 odd years. And it is evolving, it is maturing, and it is also going through its own metamorphosis. And while you may feel that there was not much that was happening, but there was a lot that was happening at the back end. A lot of discussions, thoughts, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, should we move ahead, should we stay where we are, that internal turmoil even Motherhood Club has been going through, and it's reaching its conclusion. It has converted into that cocoon. क्योंकि जब वो cocoon में होता है तो बाहर की दुनिया को नहीं पता चलता है कि उसके अंदर क्या चल रहा है, और सबको लगता है कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. और शायद आप में से भी बहुत लोगों ने यही सोचा होगा कि अब तो शायद मदरहुड क्लब में कुछ नहीं होता है, हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे रह के, हम क्यों पार्टिसिपेट करें, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. और वो जो कुकून है ना, अब वो उस मोमेंट पे आ रहा है जहाँ पे वो बहुत जल्दी एक तितली बनने वाला है. सो फॉर दोज हु आर willing to experience that change, who are willing to be there when it matters the most, will be there with Motherhood Club. And Motherhood Club will always stand by their members, no matter what. So, very soon you will see a lot being unfolded. And by lot, when I say, I don't mean quantity, I mean quality. We mean something which would have an impact, have meaningful. All those details will not be shared today. They will be unfolded over a period of time. But for now, what is important for you all to take back today from our conversation is that we as individuals have definitely been through a lot of changes in our life. individually, collectively, and I'm sure the case would be for all of you. And I think one thing that helped some people who we know was the co-partner who brings in this conversation today, which is Sail to Rise, where the co-creators being Monica and myself, where we actually dwelled into the power of I.
Yeah.
And I think when we dwelled into the power of I, for the three of us also, we got to know a lot about us, our weakness, our strengths, our emotions, how we see each other, right? And I think it's that point in time where तितली आने वाली है, खूबसूरत सी, रंग बिरंगी, जिसमें बहुत सारे रंग होंगे, बहुत सारी उड़ान भरनी होगी, वो फूल फूल पे जाएगी। आप अगर वो फूल हैं तो आप उसका साथ दोगे। एंड एम is together. Aim will be together, and the aim is to get everybody on a place, on a space where there is faith, trust, and confidence, with lots of learning and fun. A lot more unfolds later, but I think we can conclude our conversation for today. And before we go, if there are any last few words that either of you would like to say, share, please.
Congratulations, पहले तो for Sail to Rise, creating a platform for entrepreneurs who or people who wish to become entrepreneurs but are finding it difficult to take that step forward, जिनके अंदर एक hesitation है. मैंने आपका पहला सेशन द पावर ऑफ आई ज्वाइन किया था, अटेंड किया था, एंड बिलीव मी, आई केम बैक विद लॉट्स ऑफ लर्निंग. You have created such a safe space. You have created such a space for women, I must say, in general. अगर मैं बात करूं तो वहां जितने भी लेडीज ने सेल टू राइज के पावर ऑफ आई को अटेंड किया था, वहां मैंने देखा कि during those activities, nobody was hesitating. Everybody wanted to participate. They were there. They were sharing their views. They were spelling out their insecurities, their challenges, their personal challenges, professional challenges. So kudos to both of you. And thank you for giving us this platform called Sail to Rise. And of course, AIM is all about Sail to Rise.
Thank you very much, Ila.
Thank you.
Anything that you'd like to say, Monica?
Thank you, Ila. Thank you for your words. And honestly, the purpose of Sail to Rise was this only, that we can help, or we can, I don't know, maybe help is not the right word. Maybe we can guide people to their inward journey, because that is where the real change has to happen. As we say that mindset is what makes you. आई थिंक बॉलीवुड की मूवीज में हमने बहुत देखा भी है, दो भाई या दो बहनें या फिर whosoever, they stay in the same household, but one becomes a chore and the other becomes a police.
True.
दोनों को ट्रीटमेंट, तरबियत तो सेम ही मिली थी, बट दोनों ने अपनी अपनी लाइफ से लर्निंग कुछ और ली और उसका कुछ और बनाया. तो एक्चुअली में सारा का सारा माइंड गेम है, सब कुछ यहाँ पर है. इसी से दूसरी चीज रिलेट करूं तो एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, इट्स ऑल इन द माइंड. तो आप चाहे 60 की होने वाले हो या हम अभी शायद 25 के भी नहीं हुए हैं, it's all the same.
Very true.
Right. Very true.
So
Agree.
Absolutely. So, everyone, thank you for joining in, even though we came back to talk to you all after a very long time. And what I can say in concluding this conversation for today, that besides all odd, Ila continued to work on her responsibility or meet her commitment of sharing prompts with us week on week, releasing the result, sitting, taking out that time to read through those poetries, those stories, even though she was not in that frame of mind to do that. Anytime she needed help, she reached out that I need help. Can you step in? Can one of you take responsibility of it? Monica, on the other hand, obviously, initially when there were some activities or prom because of her corporate commitment, was unable to do so, but extremely passionate about writing. And every time Ila and I would ask her that, why don't you write stories? Her response used to be, I can't write stories. And we've all read and heard her poetries, but stories she would write, but she would write those very short ones and, like maybe a few lines kinds. But we really, kind of pestered her कि नहीं लिखो आप लिख सकते हो, आप पोइट्री लिख सकते हो, आप नहीं मुझसे कहानी नहीं लिखी जाएगी. But see now, she is regular in her writing regular week stories, I think almost weekly, sharing them, thinking through, weaving them so beautifully, which I'm sure Ila would agree with me that from
Totally.
the first point to now, how she's been able to weave through it. So I think what is really important is that when change needs to be incorporated in your life, which you can't avoid, is when you get out of your comfort zone, is when you are willing to say that I will try. It's very easy to say I cannot do it, but let's just shift that to that I will try. When you try, trust me, things change. I'm an example. Monica is an example. कहानी नहीं लिखेंगे पर अब लिख रहे हैं. ड्राइंग नहीं कर सकते. Let me tell you, ड्राइंग मुझे आज भी पसंद नहीं है, but I'm still doing it. I still push myself, right? For Ila to actually bring in that creativity, to be able to fulfill her responsibilities, her commitment, besides all odds, finding ways to make sure that certain thing which is beyond her control right now. I mean, not everything can be shared, but certain things where आप helpless हो जाते हैं, but yet making and finding ways to be able to do them, ensure that वो हो जाए, it takes a lot. तो आज हम आपको बस यही मैसेज से छोड़ना चाहेंगे कि चेंज, बदलाव जो है वो हर एक की जिंदगी में आता है, और उसकी वजह से अगर कोई पीछे रुक रहा है, कोई ठहर रहा है, कोई थम रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो खत्म हो गया है. वो आगे की जो आने की परिस्थितियां हैं उसके लिए तैयारी कर रहा है. तो हमेशा ये बोलिए कि मुझसे आज नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगी, मैं कोशिश करूंगा, और कोशिश करेंगे तो आगे जरूर बढ़ेंगे. अगर किसी को भी किसी भी तरीके की मदद की जरूरत है, आपको लगता है कि आप उस भवंडर में फंसे हुए हैं, आप बात करना चाहते हैं, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to give you that patient hearing, to see how we can be that safe space for you to hear what you want to share. So thank you once again, and I will sign off for the day and express my gratitude to each one of you who was here to hear us, to put your comments, request both of you ladies to read through the comments at a little later point in time and acknowledge all the appreciation that comes your way. So we will meet everyone very soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and always keep trying. Bye-bye and take care,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
everyone for joining in. Thank you.